What's the difference between Ahrefs Overview and Overview 2.0? The UR ratings are not the same. Overview 1 shows higher UR ratings than 2. I actually have no idea. I didn't know about that. Let's go ahead and take a look real quick. UR, so this one says UR 41.
Yep.
UR 20. Ooh, what a big difference.
It's just the the algorithm that they use to decide what UR is, right? Which is the URL rating, shows the strength of your target page's backlink profile on a 100-point logarithmic scale. If you analyze a domain, the homepage's UR is shown. This is the beta version of our new UR score, which is different from the one shown in legacy reports. So, as far as the UR goes, it's just, a different way of conceptualizing the metric according to Ahrefs, I guess.
Where'd you even find that? It just says it right there.
The little I next to the UR.
What a smart fellow you are.
You just put your finger on it, or the little clicky finger, and now I didn't really used to like 2.0.
No, it's got better.
But I kind of like it now. Yeah.
No, especially if you click the organic search one.
Mm-hmm.
They just added that. I don't know if you even saw that one.
Yeah.
They have the organic search tab now too.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, I like it better now. Except I just wish you could see back further, like further than 2 years.
I guess.
Which you don't really need
that's
to.
as far as they could pull or something.
You don't really need to for most projects, but when we're looking at sites like in MLB and stuff, we like to go back a little bit further and just see how far back things go. But other than that, no, I prefer 2.0 now. Finally.
Yeah, it took us a while. We didn't like it at first, but yeah, definitely do like it.
For sure.
What was the second part of that question? The UR rating is same. Overview 1 shows. Oh, okay, so yeah, it's about the UR. It's just what they've decided they're going to base it on, and then how high the metric goes for you, I guess. So I mean, it's interesting that it's cut in half for this website that we're looking at, for example. 41 down to 20. I don't know their reasoning for that, but I'm sure it's probably written down somewhere.
They're just calculating it differently. The only thing that matters is how it compares to other websites, right? So, just, it's all relative to like what the other people's scores are and whatnot. Not that the score really means much anyway, since it's a third-party tool, but, I wouldn't really worry too much about it. Just Ahrefs doing their thing, redoing the numbers a bit. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links below for more info on this topic, as well as other cool stuff like SEO case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and happy ranking.